I started crying because of like two things. One was that like recognizing my worth and this like happy place that I'm with this person that I feel really happy with, like all these happy things, all these like really awesome things are happening. And then my OCD comes in and is like, oop, that's too much good. There's too much. And like, I don't know, all the OCD stuff is like, the volume is turned up, so I started like tics that I have, which is basically like twitching my head sometimes. And then I was just crazy. Like thinking back to like a little girl just starting therapy and not really knowing the extent of what I have and not really speak any sort of
So as I said, these are inshore bottlenose. There are 21 different populations of bottlenose zones along the east coast of the U.S.
You guys make you guys. Here goes the big word. Oh my god. Everything is very like healthy and easy and cool and good, and I just feel like I don't deserve it, but then I know that I do. Here comes the big word. Anyway. Oh my god. Wow. But then I know that I do.
And afterwards, I was like, it was just an interesting experience.